A groundbreaking new law takes effect in Tennessee this summer. It allows criminal charges against pregnant women who abuse drugs. Tennessee will be the only place where a mother can be prosecuted based on the impact from drugs on her pregnancy. A mother can avoid going to jail if she enrolls in a drug treatment program. CBS News legal analyst Rikki Klieman is with us. Rikki, the ACLU says this law is dangerous. It could prevent women from getting necessary prenatal care, but you say it's a good law.
Well, I certainly understand the ACLU's point of view. And by the way, it's the point of view of the drug czars, the point of view of the women's groups who have spoken out against this law. It's the point of view of healthcare providers. So the ACLU is not alone here. But on the other side of this is what we call a velvet hammer. This is a law that is saying, look, we're giving up in Tennessee. We have in Tennessee 921 cases last year of neonatal abstinence syndrome, meaning a child born of a pregnant mother who was drug addicted. The child is addicted, and what happens to this child is horrific. So they're saying, just as you introduce this, if you go into drug treatment, you're not going to jail. So the argument of saying we're stopping women from getting any kind of drug treatment because they're afraid they'll be arrested, that's a false argument. You've got a situation here where you need accountability. We have babies having babies. We have drug addicts having babies. And what the governor has said after 10 days of in-depth study is to say, I hear what everyone is telling me. I just don't know what else to do.
But doesn't it raise a question if the state is trying to get involved in what a woman can and cannot do with her body? Doesn't that raise a whole other set of issues that nobody wants to get involved with?
Of course. And certainly, if you're someone who supports a woman's right to choose, which is the constitutional law of the land since Roe versus Wade, that you say my relationship as a woman with my body about pregnancy is mine and my choice alone. But this isn't just about the pregnancy. If you're a drug addict, you are giving birth to a drug-addicted child.
And more states are considering these types of laws.
Well, more states, 17 states say it's child abuse. And when we look at the spectrum, this has been growing as a drug epidemic. It's really a frightening thing. Best thing about this law we can say is this, even for those who hate it, it has a sunset provision. It's a 2-year law. The governor says he's going to study it. He's going to see if ultimately families are being separated, and this is a draconian law.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Rikki.